Welcome to this tutorial on custom property delegates in Kotlin. In this video, you'll learn how to create your own property delegates by implementing the getValue and setValue operator functions. Property delegates are a powerful feature that allow you to reuse common property behavior across your codebase, making your code cleaner and more maintainable. So what exactly is a property delegate? A delegate is an object that handles getting and setting values for a property. Instead of storing values directly in the property itself, properties can delegate this responsibility to another object. You declare a delegated property using the by keyword in Kotlin. This delegation pattern helps you avoid repetitive code and keeps your property logic organized and reusable. Let's start with the getValue operator function. This function is required for any custom delegate. It takes two parameters, this ref, which is the object that owns the property, and property, which contains metadata about the property itself. The function returns the property value of type tNotice that this function must be marked with the operator keyword to work as a delegate. This is the function that gets called whenever you read the property value. Next, we have the setValue operator function. This function is needed for mutable properties. It takes three parameters. This ref, the object that owns the property, the metadata about the property, and value, which is the new value to set. This function also needs the operator keyword. The setValue function gets called automatically whenever you assign a new value to the property. Together with getValue, these two functions give you complete control over how property values are accessed and modified. Here's a simple example of a custom delegate. The logging delegate class is generic and takes an initial value. It implements both the getValue and setValue operator functions. In getValue, it prints a message showing which property is being accessed and what its current value is, then returns that value. In setValue, it prints a message showing the property name and how the value is changing from the old value to the new value, then updates the stored value. This delegate can be reused for any type of property, making it very flexible. Now let's see how to use this custom delegate. In the user class, we declare two properties, name and age. Both properties use the by keyword followed by an instance of logging delegate. The name property is delegated with an initial value of anonymous and age with 0. In the main function, when we create a user instance and assign a new value to name, the setValue function is called and logs the change. When we print the name, the getValue function is called and logs the access. This shows how delegates automatically intercept property access and modification. Here's a more practical example, a validation delegate. The range delegate ensures that an integer property stays within a specified range. The getValue function simply returns the stored value. But in setValue, before updating the value, it checks if the new value is within the allowed range. If the value is outside the range, it throws an illegal argument exception with a descriptive message. Otherwise, it updates the value. In the product class, we use this delegate for a rating property, restricting it to values between 1 and 5. This prevents invalid data from being stored. Let's recap the key takeaways. Custom delegates provide several benefits. They allow you to create reusable property behavior, lead to cleaner and more maintainable code, and promote separation of concerns. Remember these important points. Always use the operator keyword for getValue and setValue functions. Make sure your function signatures match the required parameters exactly, and handle edge cases properly in your delegates, such as validation or null checks. With custom delegates, you can eliminate repetitive property logic and create more elegant Kotlin code.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.